OMG, YOL. This EcoGear Max Motion TV wall mount is a game changer. Can you believe it? Works with TVs from 42 to 90 inches. Yup, whether it's Samsung, LG, Sony or Vizio, this mount's got your back. No need to stress. It comes with a drilling template and hardware pack. You can get your TV up on the wall in under 30 minutes, baby. Perfect time to binge watch House of the Dragon before bedtime. This thing is solid gold, supports up to 90 or 125 pounds. And guess what? You can pull your TV out up to 22 inches. Full motion swivel and tilt for that smooth viewing experience. Guys, EcoGear is also saving the planet. They plant a tree for each mount sold. Plus, their Minnesota-based nerds are ready to help any day. Get yours now.